Who is the teacher of Mandri Bhav Upasana? The worship, Mandri Bhav sadhana is taught specifically and practically unanimously by Raghunath Das Goswami, with some supplementary verses and other instructions from other acharyas. He is the guru of Madhurya, of Mandri Bhav, Kinkari Bhav, Prayojana Tattva, this Prayojan, this goal. So this is the best place. Or also Vrindavan, because there's so much, Niban, Rasastali, many places are there. So this is the verse, Aradi Bhagavan Brajesh Taniyas, and then the Bhagavatam is our proof for this. The Bhagavatam especially highlights Vrindavan and highlights the Rasastali, because the Ras lilas there. The Bhagavatam is the 10th canto. It talks about Vrindavan. That's the destiny for those that are worshippers of Radha and Krishna. Vrindavan. That's the goal. The Ishtadeva is the mantra, is the Radha Krishna mantra, Hare Krishna mantra, and other mantras, and Nam, and the goal. That's an Ishtadeva, the mantra to worship them. Then the place to worship them, the ultimate attainment is Goloka Vrindavan, Vraja Gokul, and the Boma Vrindavan, or Uppercut Vrindavan here. This is the place. So this is Vrindavan will be selective. So one must be selective. One must be focused and concentrated in his bhajan in order to attain the perfection. And Rupa Goswami and Narottam Das Thakur, they give many instructions how to focus on one's goal and do the appropriate sadhana to attain that desired goal or objective.